Hey, what's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Qemu Kvm and virt manager. So let's get started. Qemu is a kernel level virtual machine, so you will feel that you are running the operating system natively rather than using a virtual box. So it has an excellent performance. So to install Qemu, open your terminal and type sudo apt install cpu-checker, and if you are using Arch based distros, then you need to type pacman-s instead of apt install. After it is installed, type kvm-ok to check if your virtualization is supported in your system, and if it is not supported, then you need to open your BIOS settings and enable virtualization. So to install Qemu Kvm and virt manager, type this following command: sudo apt install Qemu-kvm virt-manager, and if you are using Arch base, then type pacman-s instead of apt install. Now as you can see, virtual machine manager is successfully installed, and to avoid any errors, it is better to reboot your system once. So I'm going to reboot my system and I'll come back. After rebooting, open your terminal and type this command: sudo systemctl is active libvirt. This will show whether the virtual machine service is activated or not. After that, you need to open virtual machine manager. Click on this icon to create a new virtual machine. Click browse to select the ISO file for the operating system. Now click on browse local and select your ISO file. I have already downloaded Windows 10 ISO file in my downloads folder. If this message pops up, click on yes. Now allocate your RAM and CPU for the virtual machine. It is recommended to give half of your system resources. Since I have 8 GB of RAM, I'm going to give it 4 GB, and I'm going to give it a CPU as well. Now give disk space of at least 20 GB, and if it is a Windows installation, you need to give it at least 25 GB because the installation can take up space in the future. Now give your virtual machine a name and leave other settings as default. As you can see, the Windows installation has started, and I'm quickly going to install Windows 10 on my virtual machine. So I'm just going to fast forward this video. As you can see, Windows is installed and it is presenting us with this setup screen. Now I'm going to complete the setup screen as well. As you can see, we are finally in the Windows desktop. Now to fix this resolution, we need to open the web browser and download Spice Tools. So I'm going to open Microsoft Edge and type Spice Tools and download the Spice Tools. Go to Windows binaries and download it from there. You can also download Spice Tools Web DAV to enable file sharing between host and virtual machine. So after it is downloaded, install both of them. Now press Ctrl Alt to get out of virtual machine and go to view at the top and select scale display and select the auto scale with window. Now as you can see, the virtual machine resizes itself with the window size of virt manager. So that's it for the video, guys. You can try it out for yourself to feel the performance, and in my opinion it is a lot better than VirtualBox and VMware. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.